are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. My name is Jewett Niva, the best gift chef in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. So, guys, welcome back to my kitchen. And today, guys, you're going to be making crispy potatoes. My first ingredients is some potatoes, some flour, some salt, chili sauce, and some oil. So first, we are going to start by peeling our potatoes. So guys, we are going to start by peeling our potatoes. And then after peeling them, we're going to place them in water. So guys, you're going to peel them and then boil them. Yeah. After peeling, I'm going to slice the potatoes into smaller pieces. Like this. Like that. Don't cut them into too small pieces, just medium. So guys, we are going to wash them again. So guys, I've already washed my potatoes. I've drained the water and washed it again and added in some more water. So we're going to put it on the jiko and let them boil. So guys, look at the process. This is the simplest, easiest meal to prepare. So it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. It's just simple. So now guys, it's boiling. It's not yet ready. Yeah, it's not yet ready. So let's cover it and wait for it to get ready. So guys, my potatoes are ready. Look at that. So guys, we're going to remove them. I'm sieving it to ensure that there's no water, guys. Yeah. So let's put it here, add that in. So we're going to add in some salt. Now some Royco. So guys, I'm adding in a tablespoon of Royco and then a cube. Then you're going to add in some chili, a little bit of chili. Don't want a lot because we are sharing the meal with a child. A child. Now it's time to mix. Yeah, so mix. We are going to mix it. So guys, right now I'm adding in my flour. Corn flour is the best, but right now I don't have it, so we are going to use some wheat flour. Then mix it all together. Next, we are adding in some oil. So guys, from here I'm going to make it into smaller balls. Look at that. Then there it goes. So we're rolling them into balls, then deep fry them. So guys, these are my balls. So we are going to deep fry them. Guys, look at the progress. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. Wait for the results in our next video. I don't want to show them in this video because they'll be too long. Wait for part 2. Bye.